Hey guys, so I'm out here in California with my buddy Kent. We just went to the 100 Octane Cars and Coffee on Santana Row. Really awesome. P1, GT3 RS, bunch of Lamborghinis and Ferraris. What else was cool? Cayman GT4s.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
Some crazy, like Rocket Bunny style 458. So, we're in a 458 Spider. We had the top down earlier, but it's a little bit too windy to film audio. And we're on the way to McLaren, San Francisco to check out a blue 675 LT that's been kind of exploding all over the internet. Apparently it's known as the best spec 675 so far. So excited to see that. On the way to Cars and Coffee, we rode in a 430 Scuderia, which was absolutely ridiculous. I've never been in one of those before. Compared to this car, it's a lot more raw. Similar loudness, I guess. Both the cars become straight piped above a certain RPM. Much more intense suspension. This one rides a lot smoother, but for being in enemy territory inside of a Ferrari, both were pretty exciting.
I'm gonna convert you.
Yeah.
Your next car is gonna be a Ferrari.
We'll see, but both cars have been fantastic. We're outside the McLaren dealer. This is obviously my favorite car. The new McLaren. Just kidding, it's an Aventador. But no, there's some sick cars here. There's the 458. We're at McLaren, San Francisco. Apparently this is the best spec 675 LT in the world. I love the blue paint, the black wheels, and the orange calipers, but the one thing I don't like is the orange seats. I don't know, both of them like it. I think it's kind of overdone. I'm freaking in love with this purple color though. Unfortunately, there's only one employee here. I'm trying to get a test drive in a 650S, do something totally random. They also have a Aventador for sale, so that's interesting. And the exact spec that I like, orange, so I'm not getting it today though. Got to sit in this black one. The interior is incredibly comfortable. 458 as well, but these are cars you could actually daily drive. But what am I saying? I haven't driven a 650S, so I don't really know. There's an overturned semi-truck on the side of the freeway. Look at this. That's a bad day.
California drivers.
No. That's what I should, oh man, that should be my signature. And leave that in all the videos?
Yes, yeah, just at the end, like
instead of, hey guys, I'm Shmee, it's just...